This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make an endless card. First, let's gather our essential supplies. You will need 2 pieces of sturdy cardstock, a reliable ruler, and a sharp craft knife for clean cuts. Don't forget a strong adhesive, like double-sided tape or craft glue, to secure your card's moving parts. Having a scoring tool will also make your folds incredibly crisp and professional, ensuring a smooth transformation. Now, let's prepare the foundational pieces for your endless card. Take your first sheet of cardstock and cut it into 4 equal rectangles. Each piece should measure 2 1/8 inches by 4 1/4 inches. Repeat this process with your second sheet, giving you a total of 8 identical rectangles. Next, score each of these 8 pieces precisely down the middle, at the 2 1/8 inch mark, then fold them neatly. With your 8 folded pieces ready, it's time to assemble the card's ingenious mechanism. Lay out 4 of your folded rectangles in a 2x2 grid, ensuring all the open ends face towards the center. Now, apply a thin line of strong adhesive to the outer half of the top left and bottom right pieces. Carefully attach the remaining 4 folded pieces onto these glued sections, aligning them perfectly to create the card's dynamic base. Finally, the most exciting part, personalizing your endless card. You have 4 distinct panels on each side to decorate. Consider adding small photos, decorative stamps, or heartfelt handwritten messages to each section. Remember to keep your embellishments relatively flat so they don't hinder the card's smooth, continuous motion. Once decorated, gently unfold and refold your card in all directions to ensure its magical endless transformation works perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.